Nĩ kĩgomano kĩa hamwe kĩa ngwatanĩro ya makanitha ma kĩroho na kamĩtĩ ya ithurano MIHAKA IEBC. Kĩgomano kĩrĩa nĩ kĩa mahoya na kũmũrĩka meharĩria ma kamĩtĩ ĩno mbere ya gĩthurano kĩnene 2027. Ya mahoya maya mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa IEBC Erastus Ethekon nĩ atarĩirie meharĩria ma gĩthurano kĩnene. Ũmwe wa meharĩria maya arĩ gũthugunda mũtambo wa mwanya wa kwĩyandĩkithia ta mũikia wa kura ũnyitanĩri na ceceni cia huduma.
So we are introducing a digital platform where now you have a link and then you have a pre-registration form. You can fill it like right there. You can fill in all your details, and all you need to do is to walk into the next Huduma center or registration center and just give your fingerprints and you go. We just take your biometrics, 3 minutes, we are done. So I hope that will also encourage the young people to come up and register in large numbers.
From 56, that 1% of that 56 are young people in the population. So it means that if the youth want to take this country and vote for whoever they want to vote for, they are able to vote. So I think the question here is the messaging. How do we message our message to reach the youth so that they associate with governance?
IEBC ĩtanyĩte kwandĩkithia aikia a kura milioni 3.3 no nĩ thabarĩ mũikarĩri gĩtĩ Erastus Ethekon arauga nĩ gũbatara gũkinyanĩrio nĩ honge itiganĩte. Arauga kũrĩ na mawatho ma ithurano matarĩ makinyanĩrio gwata ũtingiaru wa bajeti.
This deficit of 22 billion we are talking about, I think the Lord will bring, because last 2 weeks we spoke with Parliament and we explained to them the rationale why we need this budget. Because without this budget, things like voter education will suffer. This mobilization, educating Kenyans on their civic responsibility, the manner in which they should register, why it's important for them to participate.
Na ona gũtuĩka ndanyũrĩte ciĩgiĩ gũtiga wĩra kwa mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene Marjan Hussein Marjan ũrĩa waingĩrire kamĩtĩ-inĩ ĩno mwaka wa 2015, Ethekon arauga arĩ na mwĩhoko gĩthurano gĩkĩ nĩkĩo gĩgakorwo na waragania harĩ ciothe.
We've looked around, we've had conversations with our staff, and when we come to certain decisions, they are guided by law and they are based on our discussions with the various employees, and in this case the CEO. And what I communicated yesterday is the correct position, that we've had discussions and we arrived at a mutually agreeable separation in the interest of the country. Because we have elections, I think we will be declaring elections in August 2026, 1 year to elections, we will gazette, and then we trigger a series of activities.
But we hope that as we go ahead, it will be everybody's concern to tone down. All leaders will have to be requested to do that. And therefore, all is not lost. Don't judge the commission by what you saw in Kasipul and MBEU. Kasipul and MBEU attracted the entire nation's energy at this time.
IEBC kwa ihinda rĩrĩ yandĩkithĩtie aikia a kura milioni 22.1 na ĩrĩ na matanya ma gũkinyĩria milioni 28.5 mbere ya gĩthurano kĩnene 2027. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura Wanding'o.